Hey everyone, it's JoJo, and today I got an early birthday present. I got the Beyblade Tornado Beystadium. Aw yeah. Look at that. Comes with Tornado Herculeo. Here's the back side of the box, showing all the parts to this stadium. The turntable, the slope fence, the tornado point, the over fence, and all that stuff, and the Beyblade on the top right. Tornado Herculeo. So let's just get to unboxing. Alright, now this is everything that came out of the box. So before I put everything together, I want to show all the pieces individually and do a little review of them real quick. This is the main body of the stadium. It's made out of plastic, very much like the Takara Attack Stadium, same material. But the design is more like the Super Attack Stadium, as you can see by the rounded flower shape on the outside. It's also a little bit deeper. It favors more attack type Beyblades. Here are the two slope fences. One would go on each side of the Beystadium. This is where you would initially launch your Beyblade. It would also protect your Beyblade from getting stadium outs. And in the middle are these pins that hold the slope fences onto the Beystadium. This is the turntable that would go in the middle of the Beystadium. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Beyblade logo written on the turntable, and this is the tornado point right here. Here's a switch, so left and right, and then you just put it in the middle to make it stop spinning. And here's the back side. It takes 3 AA batteries, and you do need a screw to take that off. The Tornado Beystadium also comes with an over fence, which is a little bit taller than the regular fence that would come with the Attack Stadium. And of course it comes with stickers that you could put on the stadium to make it look way cooler. And can't forget about the instruction booklet. Tornado Herculeo 105F face bolt, representing Hercules. Clear wheel. One of my favorite clear wheels of all the Beyblade series. 2 lion's heads with their mane coming down into a circle. Tornado wheel, metal wheel, 5-bladed attack type. 105 track. And F for flat. And the tool. Tornado Herculeo 105F. Owned by Ian from Team Garcia in Beyblade Metal Masters. And here is the Tornado Beystadium all put together. Now let's do a little demonstration just to show how this stadium works. So here's the switch for the turntable. Switch it to the left and it's going to go to the left. And switch it to the right, and of course it's going to go to the right. Now for right spinning Beyblades, you want to switch this to the left, because even though the Beyblade is in right spin, the movement will make the Beyblade go toward the left in the Beystadium. Time for a test spin with Tornado Herculeo 105F. The flat bottom actually makes the Beyblade get into the tornado point a lot easier. So let's test it out. And there is the tornado point. Ah! Did that hit you?
No, mine kicked your butt off.
Thank you for watching my unboxing of BB-94, the Tornado Beystadium. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely do some insane bay battles in this stadium. Stay tuned for more. I will see you next time.